I have just arrived at the Tulaskarwadi village in Warkand Panchayat, Warkand Nagzar Panchayat in Penne Taluka. Now I am precisely trying to impress upon all Goans, particularly those whether you are in Goa or outside Goa or anywhere in the world. Now this is the place where behind me is this machine operating, and this machine is now excavating this hill, and this is the valley which we are in, where there are freshwater springs here behind me. Now this is that link road that is in the news these days, which is opposed by the villagers of Tulaskarwadi here, and I was very interested to know what is this opposition all about, and I have come to know that this is a link road to the Mopa airport. Now you have to understand one thing, this link road was not in the original plan. The government claims they have acquired the land of these villagers. The villagers are saying that there is no proper acquisition, there is no demarcation of the acquired land at site. Even if there is a acquisition under the Land Acquisition Act or whatever act or the statute, the demarcation at the site has not taken place, and that is the bone of contention. Secondly, I can only see this is an environmental disaster. The way the trees have been cut, some of the trees are teak wood trees, which the girth is maybe even 3 meters. And this is all without environmental clearance. There is no environmental impact assessment shown to the villagers. The village panchayat of Nagzar has issued a stop work order to this contractor who is working on the top, and you can hear that sound. That stop order has been challenged by the contractor before the additional director of panchayats, and said to say the additional director of panchayat has granted a stay against the order, stop work order passed by the panchayat. Now, you can understand a stay, ex parte stay means they have not heard the other side, they have not heard the panchayat, they have not heard the complainant before the panchayat, but ex parte stay has been granted. And a time period of 15 long days has been granted before the next date of hearing. So much so that this contractor can get away with it, what he is doing, whether he is doing it right or wrong. In these 15 days, he can get away with it. This is the system that is being followed. I can clearly say that democracy is in danger in this part of Goa. The government claims that the panchayats have no powers. Then it is high time that the constitution is amended and the panchayats are removed from that. If government alone is supreme, to the best of my knowledge, this is another form of government at the local level which has constitutional recognition and status. And some collector or some authority is telling them that you have no locus standi in this whole matter. This is completely ridiculous. Every Goan abroad or in India or anywhere in Goa must understand. As je anga Tulaskarwadi zata, today this is happening here. Tomorrow it could be your turn, and therefore I think these villagers need support. These villagers need backing. This is the issue of protection of Goa. This is the issue of protection of environment of Goa.
पोईत साड्यात रान झाड असला तर मारून मारून बरं मळ्यो केल्यो, शेती केली, तेतून हजारांनी लोकांनी उत्पन्न केला, ह्यांच्यानी सगळं कातरून उडयला, नष्ट केला. ही मातृभूमी तुम्ही कशी केल्यात याचा विचार तुम्ही मात कसो केल्यात ना. मनीस तुम्ही हैवान, तुम्ही माणूस असलेल्या जाल्यार असं करच्यात नसल्या, हैवान म्हणून तुम्ही एक घाण करून दवरल्यात.
सगळी झाडां पेडां सगळी नष्ट करून मातयेन पुरून उडयली. हे सरकाराक कळना कशें, हे पोलीस कसो येता. हे पोलिसांनी लायिल्ली झाडां ही आमच्या पुर्वजांनी लायिल्ली, ही आमचे खातीर दवरलेली. सगळी झाडांचो नष्ट इबाड करून हेका कोणाचेच दोळे ना कशें.